Hi, welcome back to the channel. We'll deploy a React application today. To run a React app on our virtual machine, we'll use the VS Code for this purpose. First of all, make sure you have downloaded Node.js in your PC. I'm just checking here right now if it's in my PC by just using this node version command in the terminal. Let's see. So it's necessary to download Node.js externally also. So yeah, Node.js is already downloaded. Next we'll do a command npx create react app, the name of app you want to give it. I'll also provide the link in the description box from where I have copied this process. Let's run this command. This command will basically help us to make an app name my app, and yeah, it says compiled successfully, so an app is created. Now we'll go inside this by doing cd my app. Next you'll do npm start. By using the start command, your app basically will start and you can do your next commands in it. It actually started working on localhost 3000 by doing this npm start command. Now we'll do one thing, we'll make a web.config file and we'll copy this code. I'll show you this code. You can find this code on the link that is provided in the description. You'll copy this code in your web.config file. Next we'll run npm run build. By using this, a build is created in the app. You can see I'm showing you on the screen. All these files in node modules are just made by using this command npm run build. Next we'll go to our Azure. Make sure you have logged in Azure in your VS Code and you have downloaded the extension app services. Now we'll make a new app, web app. You name this web app. Make sure the name you are providing for this web app is unique. It really needs to be unique so you can be able to launch the service or deploy it. You just press enter by naming it. After naming it, you just press enter. Yeah, you want to create a new resource here, or you can select the previous one. I usually create a new resource. A new resource will same name will be created. You can change the name also. Now we'll use a runtime stack. As we are deploying a node, we'll use node. Then we'll choose the operating system. I'm using Linux. You can choose the window one. Now you'll choose a region. You can choose, I have choose South UK. Now you choose a create service plan. Yeah, you're gonna create a new app service plan for this. We're gonna just choose a free trial one. You can do it with free trial. Yeah, it's it's asking us to create a application in site resource. For this we are gonna skip this step for now. I'll show you later when we'll do Azure functions video that how we use this inside resources also. So our web app is now creating. You can see it on the screen. The Azure activity log is opened on the terminal. As we have in Azure, we are in the Azure section of VS Code. So as VS Code and Azure are both provided by Microsoft, so it's easy to host an application by VS Code. You easily just create a node application by VS Code just by deploying it, and you can provide your code in it by in JSON and other HTML file. You can provide your code and you can easily deploy it by Azure, just downloading Azure App Services extension. Just make sure you are on the free trial. If you are using free one, you can also take subscription in Azure. Make sure you notice this notification that has come up on the screen. You're gonna hit deploy here. By this hitting this deploy, you can easily deploy your app service. Basically the main deployment part will start from just hitting this deploy button. Show a browse button, you'll get a browse button, and you're gonna choose your file. The I was creating the my app in VS Code file, so I'll choose that one and just select it. Yeah, this one is my file. I select it. Okay, so I have just choose the wrong file, that's why this notification is coming. Make sure you write here my file's name is VS Code, so I'll choose this one now. Make sure you choose the right app to deploy. Right now I'll choose this app to deploy on it. Deploy to web app, yes, browse. You're gonna go back. Right, this time, yeah, I'm gonna put VS Code file here. Yeah, it's asking me if I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm gonna deploy this now. Gonna hit deploy. Yes. Yeah, that you can see deploying to this web app's name is deploying. So it's successfully deployed. You can see it now. You can just copy the link here. And where did I get this link from? I got this from my Azure portal. You'll go to app services, you go to overview. Here your app is created. You're gonna just get the link from here, copy it and paste it in new tab. You can see your React app is running successfully right here. You can see all the process here. I copied it, I pasted in new tab. Yeah, my React app is successfully running. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video.